Let us now understand how do we find value of composite functions. Here we are given two different graphs and we are going to use these graphs to evaluate the values. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, getting best grades and admission to excellent universities, even with scholarships. Now let's look into this particular problem where we are given the graphs of two functions, f of x, which is a straight line, and g of x, which is a parabola. We need to complete the table below, means evaluate the following. One is g of f of 2, and question 2 is f of g of minus 1. So, how do we evaluate this composite function is what we are going to learn. Let's begin with question number 1, where we need to find g of f of 2. So, what is f of 2? This is what we need to figure out. F of 2 is a straight line. So, if x is 2, then you can see that the value of the function is 3. So, f of 2 can be written as g of 3, right? F of 2 is 3. So, we replaced f of 2 with 3. So, we got g of 3 now. So, g of f of 2 is g of 3. So now moving on to the second graph, which is of g of x at 3, we need to figure out what is the value of this particular function. So at 3, the value is, you can go up the graph and see that this is equal to 5 and this is equal to 5, and that becomes our answer. So I hope it is absolutely clear. Many times both graphs are given superimposed one over the other. We have just separated them out so that it is absolutely clear how basically we need to work with. Great. I hope this concept is absolutely clear. Now you can try to answer the next one, which is f of g of minus 1. Let's repeat the process. F of what? G of minus 1 means at minus 1, what is the value of g? So at minus 1, g value is how much? You can see the graph, it is minus 3. So we get minus 3 here. Now, moving on to the first function, which is the linear function f of x, we need to find what is f of minus 3. So minus 3 is the value here, which gives you right there, right? So as you can see, each division is 0.5, and therefore this is equal to half. So that is how we do evaluate composite function. Inside function should be calculated first and then the outside as shown in this particular example. I hope it is perfectly fine. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. In case you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.